Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials: valid credentials and a tested driver, because connectivity fails are usually credentials or driver issues. Once you have host, port, database name, and user validated, install the ODB or JDBC driver that matches your SQL version. Then open Tableau and choose the correct connector. Make sure to pick the native driver for performance. Connect now, enter credentials, and run a quick test query so you confirm permission and network access before moving to data selection. Once connected, decide whether to drag tables or write a custom SQL query. Writing custom SQL gives you precise control and reduces unnecessary columns. Make joins and aggregations at the database to leverage server power and limit data transfer. Preview the results set in Tableau, then apply filters to trim rows. Also set data types and date parsing correctly so calculations work later. If you anticipate large datasets, sample first and verify cardinality to avoid slow extracts or bad visual performance. Now finalize. Decide live for real-time data or create an extract for faster dashboards. Extracts can be scheduled and compressed. Once content looks right, publish the data source or workbook to Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud. Make sure credentials are configured for scheduled refreshes. If something breaks, focus on 3 checks: permissions for the user, matching driver versions between Tableau and DB, and SQL timeout or network firewall settings. If needed, recreate the failing query and a database client to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.